For the Ethereum price today, we are consolidating in what is known as a head and shoulder pattern. So the tables have turned slightly to the bearish scenario. However, there is something I need to show you in a moment as well before we make any trades. Excuse the terrible drawings, but this is a head and shoulders pattern. Now, when you have a head and shoulders pattern like this, typically speaking, you're going to measure a move to the downside. You're going to measure the top of that move to the bottom. It's about a 4.5% move. Now, if this was to happen, if this pattern played out, which 75% of the time it does, you're talking about a move to the downside of about $2,300. And if you watch my last video about Ethereum huge move this week, when the price was here, actually, we got that huge move, but the tables have turned slightly. And the trade that I have open, I'll show you here on my phone. I've got it open, you can see on 𝗟𝗏𝗡𝗏. It's still in profit, albeit a very small amount, $100. And I've actually put in a stop loss that you can see at $2,397. So should we come down to sort of this kind of level here, which is my entry, I'm gonna break even on that trade. However, to the upside, if the trade goes up to $2,859, which I'm going to show you in a minute is my next bullish target, then of course we'll be in play and we'll be in the money there. But what we need to bear in mind is that this move could go to the downside. If we go into the more medium time frame, you can see we're actually trading in this overall range where the support is at $2,330. The resistance is up at $2,670. So I'm actually going to adjust this take profit to that level. So let's put it in here together. I'm going to put 2,650, let's say, as my new take profit level. I'm going to press confirm. Still a nice $743 profit should it come in. And that's my new take profit level, 2,650. I believe that's possible. There's no risk in this trade because if it loses, I'm going to cut my losses at the entry point. So very, very nice indeed. We're still looking very, very bullish, of course, on the high time frame, in the sense that we're in the most oversold position we can be in the red zone. And if we look at Ethereum Bitcoin, we can see on this 2-week chart that things are looking very bullish for Ethereum to turn against Bitcoin. This is actually the first 2-week period where it's switching green since June. So let's see if we can get a weekly green close in Ethereum against Bitcoin. We're now at this golden pocket level. I mean, if you look at it on the monthly, we don't yet have a monthly close, but my feeling is we're now going to start trending upwards against Bitcoin. Very interesting chart there. The other thing we should do, guys, is take an AI view on what the market's doing right now. So using CoinGBT, free Telegram app, link down below, we're going to analyze Ethereum. And of course, you can analyze any coin in any time frame and send that trade directly to your exchange should you want to. So we've analyzed. We're going to click Ethereum, more popular coin should you want. We'll click on that just to show you. But we're going to select, for the sake of this video, Ethereum. Okay, so where's Ethereum gone? Ethereum is here. We're going to click Ethereum. And using AI in real time, CoinGBT is analyzing the market to give us a bias. Should we buy or should we sell? And on the 1 hour time frame, the default here for me as a premium user, it's actually suggesting to go long. And the take profit is 2,480. The stop loss is 2,410. Let's change up the time frame to the 4 hour chart and see if there's any difference in the analysis here for Ethereum. Let's take a look together. So it was the 1 hour. It's changing now to the 4 hour chart. We give it a second. Sometimes takes a minute. It's using a lot of AI, a lot of data. Still suggesting to go long here. And it's suggesting still a take profit of 2,480 in fact. But the stop loss can come down a bit on the higher time frame. If I wanted to, I could click this and I could send that trade to my exchange in an instant. So very, very cool. And also, guys, I will let you know that CoinGBT is doing its biggest competition ever. So CoinGBT is free to use, and you can also enter this $25,000 prize pool of USDT, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Apple products like the new iPhone, Mac, and you can enter to win in this competition. It's an auto trade competition. So like I showed you, if you use the auto trade feature, you get points, and the people that do the most trading, the most volume, and the most successful traders are going to win part of that prize pool. So check that out, link down below for CoinGBT. Guys, also, I've got links down below for free crypto, $500 airdrop position on Bybit. If you use my link down below for 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗏, which of course is no KYC trade, no verification needed, $15,000 up for grabs there as well. Thank you for joining me on this one. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.